To know how to get it, don't skip any part. Like and subscribe to my channel. Quickly, open your Remini app here. Then choose AI photos down here. Now selfie photos should be good. And here some examples. Now click upload your selfies here. You have two options. You can take pictures directly from the camera if you have good lighting, or from the studio. Pay close attention to the pictures, which is the main factor for the success of the process. I will pick some of the studio and click Photo Library. You need to choose at least 8 selfies. Now tap on Continue. Pick a model image, and here the baby AI. Pick any one as you wish. Then click Use this model image. Click Not sure yet. Then close here. Close again up here. Try more than once until it works for you. Now wait until it ends. Estimated time is 5 minutes. Good. Now it's done. Take a look. Got it. I will down all images from this icon. And the last one. Now, if we go to our gallery and open it, we'll find all pictures here safely. And that's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.